Paulina, a subscriber, texted me asking if she can make coconut milk from one small coconut. Welcome and Akwaba Yummy to this channel. My name is Yummy Cash. So I soaked the coconut in water for about 30 minutes. This helps to break the coconut easily. So to break it, I use the back of the knife to hit the coconut several times. When you're trying to break your coconut, please be very careful because you can hit your finger anytime, anyhow. So be very careful when you're trying to break your coconut. So here I have been able to break the coconut, and trust me, I was really expecting some coconut water in it, and voila, I got some to drink. It's been ages I took coconut water. So I put the coconut water in a bowl and set it aside. And at this point, removing the coconut meat from the shell is very easy. Once I'm done with the removing, I would like to add some dates to it, and I'm using only 2 dates. I soak it and set it aside. At this point, if you have a grater, you can grate it, and I think that one is the easiest and the quickest, but I prefer to do this method. So I cut them into smaller pieces and wash them very well. Now in a separate bowl, I'll put the coconut meat in it, and then I'll put everything in a blender, add 2 cups of water to it and blend it. But before that, I will add the dates to it, and the date was very dry. So I take out the seed and then add it to the coconut, and I'll add 2 cups of water to it and blend it. So yummy, I am done blending it, and I'm going to strain it to extract the coconut milk from the chaff. And to extract most of the coconut milk out, I'll use a spoon to press it and then set the coconut milk aside. So I'm going to blend the chaff again, and this time around I added 300 milliliters of water to it, and then I strain it again. Now you can see that it is well blended. So at this stage I need to extract most of the milk out, so I'll use my hand and squeeze the juice out very well, and you can see this is a little bit smoother and this one is a little coarser. So I'll blend it again. So to get a very perfect homemade coconut milk, I pass the milk through a cheesecloth, and then I will squeeze it again to get most of the chaff out. So if today is the first time ever hearing my voice and watching my video, welcome to this channel. My name is Yummy Cash. Kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video, you share it out. So our coconut milk is ready, and you can use it as and when you like. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you around next time. Till then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash. Choose.